Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Buffer for social media management. If you're looking for an easy way to schedule posts, manage multiple accounts, and track performance, Buffer is an excellent tool. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Buffer, connect your social media accounts, schedule posts, and use other features available to you on Buffer. Before we dive deeper, let's explore some key features that make social media management on Buffer seamless. So here you can see Create. So this feature allows you to build your own library of content and ideas, making it easier for you to stay organized and consistent with your posts. Analyze allows you to measure your social media performance and turn insights into growth, and you can track what works best for you and always improve your strategies. Then under Collaborate, if you're working with a team, this feature lets you plan, edit, and approve content together, ensuring a smooth workflow from start to finish. With Publish, you can plan and schedule your content across multiple social media platforms, so your posts go live at the perfect time without having to do it manually. Then Engage makes it easy for you to interact with your audience by managing comments and messages in one place, helping you build stronger connections. Then finally, you've got your Start page. This feature lets you create a custom link in bio page in minutes or a landing page, making it simple for you to share multiple links from a single beautifully designed page. So let's get started, shall we? To get started, you click on Get Started Now. Be required to type in your email. So while setting up your password, or while creating your password, please ensure that you follow the criteria here. It has to be 8 characters long, 1 uppercase, and it needs to have 1 symbol or 1 number or symbol. Okay, so let's sign up. Great, now we're in. We're currently using the free version, and this version allows you to connect up to 3 social media accounts and schedule up to 10 posts per account. As you can see here, we've got some easy steps we could follow to set up our account. So we already created a Buffer account. Next, we need to connect our first channel, save an idea, then publish our first post. You can see your Buffer dashboard. So this is where you can manage your social media accounts, schedule posts, and also analyze performance. So the first thing we're going to do is connect to channel. So you can see here, it says connect to channel. So you just tap on it. Let's try connecting a channel. So you've got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads, and other social media accounts. So let's connect to a Facebook channel. So you would want to read through the guide to ensure that you're following the rules. Then once you've done that, you can proceed. As you can see, we've got 2 options here. You can either choose a page or a group. Let's go with the page. To link your Buffer account to your Facebook account, there are some permissions that need to be granted. So Buffer is requesting access to your name and profile, email address, access to your page and app insights, and lots of other permissions here. You may choose to edit it. In order to link your Buffer account to your Facebook account, there are a couple of permissions that need to be granted. So Buffer is requesting access to your name and profile picture, email address, access to your page and app insights, and lots of other permissions. So you may choose to edit it here. Yeah, so let's just continue. The pages connected to your account will appear here. So let's go with Ethereal Wings. Right, let's finish connection now. Excellent. So we've successfully connected a channel to our Buffer account. Great. Now we can proceed with creating a post or a posting plan. So let's create a post. Let's tap on New. And then when you tap New, you can see publish content to a channel, post something on a specific channel. Or it could be an idea. Perhaps you've got an idea and you'd like to save it. You could do that there. You could connect to a new channel, create a start page, or invite a team member. So let's try creating a post. All right. So you've got 3 options here. It all depends on which you'd like to choose. So once you've decided on what you'd like to post, you could either upload it here or you could drag and drop. So it could be an image or a video, whichever you'd like. Now that's for creating a post or publishing a post. But if you'd like to schedule a post, for instance, if we'd like to upload something on Friday the 14th, we could come here, perhaps at 8 a.m. We could add the post here. Just tap on it. Great. So now we're here. You can easily drag and drop whatever file you'd like to upload. So that's how to schedule a post. Let's select a file we could upload. So I can either upload it or drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop. Alright, so I've selected a file. You can see, so this is a preview. This just lets you see how it's going to be displayed on your timeline or wherever it's posted. Yeah, so this is what it's going to look like. So we could add a comment. So that's a beautiful necklace. As you can see, it's reflected here too. So this is what it's going to look like. Then we can schedule the post. Right, so it's urging us to start the 3-day trial. So you could choose to do that, but remember that once it's over, you'll be required to pay. So let's just say no thanks for now. It's successfully been scheduled. Once the date arrives, it's going to be uploaded automatically. So that's how easy it can be to schedule a post. So this is for publishing. When you come to create, you can have like a to-do list. So these are things you would like to work on. In progress shows projects that you're already working on. And then done, of course, shows projects that you've concluded. So it's just, so Buffer just gives you an amazing way to just organize everything for your social media accounts. So for features like Analyze and Engage, you would need to get the paid version, but the start page is available on the free plan. So this just gives you a landing page for your brand. You could use it to showcase your brand. So you can choose anyone of your choice. Yeah, so that's how the start page works. So you can choose whichever start page matches your brand. Once you select a start page, you'll be asked to type in the name of your brand. So let's go with the already selected brand. Next, and you can customize it here. You can change the profile image. You can change anything you'd like to ensure that it fits your brand. Yeah, so that's another interesting feature on Buffer. To manage the channels connected to your Buffer account, you can come down here. So this takes you to all the accounts connected to your Buffer account. Yeah, so the free plan lets you connect up to 3 channels for free. But if you'd like to connect more, you need to upgrade your plan. Now let's talk about Buffer's pricing plan so you can choose the best fit for your needs. So with the free plan, you can connect up to 3 channels and you've got 10 scheduled posts per channel. You get 100 content ideas, 1 user account, 1 AI assistant, basic analytics, and world-class customer support. So that's for the free plan. Then for the recommended plan, which is also called the essentials, it's $5 per month per channel or $60 per year. And you've got 2 months free. So here you get unlimited scheduled posts, unlimited ideas, 1 user account, AI assistant, advanced analytics, engagement inbox, hashtag manager, first comment scheduling, world-class customer support. Plus, there's a 14-day free trial to test everything out. Now, if you'll be working with teams, there's the team plan. It's $10 per month per channel or $120 yearly with 2 months free, just like in the essentials plan. So here you've got everything in the essentials plan, including unlimited user accounts and access levels for better team management. It's also got a 14-day trial to test everything out. So that's it for the pricing of Buffer. And that's it for this video tutorial. You now know how to use Buffer to manage your social media accounts. Thank you very much for watching.